Ladies and gentlemen, you are now rocking with the KingIndeed.
Yeah, check it up in the building, doing it like this, man. Town, man. I'm rocking with the boom, 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 bang, 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 ba bang, the KingIndeed. Indeed. Yes, indeed. Understand, listen. Real talk. Ain't no little tabloids right here. The KingIndeed. True stories.
Say OPP! Yeah, you know me! Hey, Trigger Trench, we celebrating 25 years. We are our very first single. Somebody make some noise! OPP, I gotta sing. Sing it! Sing it! Don't be so other people track. Say what? That's how.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Once again, it's that Kid K.I. Kid, a.k.a. ZoeRaldo. We not in Haiti. I'm Haitian, brother. If you ain't know, I'm Haitian. You fuck with Haitian? Talk about say. There you are. He knows. He knows.
Went to East Orange High School. We had
Listen,
all types of everything.
You see the children right here? You see the children right here?
Jamaican,
You guys seen them already on the
Italian,
KingIndeed? You already seen them on the KingIndeed?
Puerto
right
Rican,
now,
Dominican.
Right now, we got Trigger Tretch right here.
Yeah.
Tretch, we are here on the 25th anniversary of your pool party.
Right.
And this is not no pool party. This is some kind of, it's a zoo in a positive way right here.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable.
I can't tell it's a pool party. I get an interview every 2 seconds.
It's
I couldn't even get a fossil off a chicken wing. Broly, where the hell is the plate at?
Oh, they're not
I can't take these relatives nowhere. That's why I take them everywhere.
You know what's unbelievable? You know what's unbelievable about you, Tretch?
What?
That your stage performance is more intense than it was when you were younger. That's unbelievable that you can still do that.
Because a ninja has to master his style. You don't start out a black belt. No,
is that what keeps you going?
Well, ask Rolly, because the weed he smoke, he always say he turns into a...
Nobody got the weed for Tretch?
Nah, I done smoked enough.
Okay, I ain't mad at you. What kind of advice can you give all these kids out there and grown men out there that's faking the funk, brother told us?
Now, really, if you think about it, whoever come out and really sound different, then it's probably going to sound like they self instead of everything else you're trying to sound like somebody else with a hit. They going to blow up because everybody tired of hearing anything else. Be yourself, do yourself, and just know loyalty has no expiration date. You do right going to be with you. Trust and believe.
Are you so connected with stuff like Garden State Greats like that? I don't know if you're going to remember this.
Any state greats.
Do you remember
GSG?
Song? Remember that one?
You remember, you see, what's that say right there? GSG?
That's right.
Do I remember GS? I got tattoos older than something.
Yeah.
Nah.
Trigger Tretch right here. We out here supporting him.
And any state, talent is everywhere. Never give up. Handle your business, man. And keep your clique, man. Keep a family. Family stays together, get paid together. Family stays together, get paid together. Family stays together, get paid together.
We really appreciate you giving us the opportunity to sit down and talk to on the KingIndeed. You hear me, brother? God bless you, man. Trigger Tretch signing out.
Yeah.
You are now rocking with the KingIndeed.
You ever hit a girl in the middle of the come on! We get a name and number in the middle of the come on! We get home, we let it see what come on and over top. You call up in this up. Couple times. It's not a funny, it's not a problem. It's the G. We get the partners at the house. But that's what she say. You don't need these other people for you get it. It's over for relationship. It's just wrong. They hit it. You need to know that's what I'm seeing. Who think it's over? That was what he did. You know there's only being in the way. Yeah, but OPP. Yeah, but OPP.